Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to play any retro game on your iPhone using Delta Emulator. So the first thing that you must do is to download the Delta Emulator, and to do so, you just need to go to the App Store and look for Delta Game Emulator, and you will find it like this, Delta Game Emulator. And after that, you should go and open the Delta Game Emulator. Just let me go to the main menu, and you will find it like this. And the first time you will open it, you will find it empty. So to get games on this Delta Emulator, you just need to go to Google and to look for retro game ROMs for files. I will show you the form of those files. And after that, when you find those files, you just need to click on the plus. After that, click on Files. And for example, in my case, they are on Google Chrome. And as you can see, you will find the zip files here. And to find those zip files, you just need to go to Google Chrome, to Google and or Safari, and search for retro games ROMs. You can write this. And after that, you just need to select any one of this like zip files and click open. For me, I already did this. And to know which consoles you can look for their ROMs, you just need to go to settings, and these are the supported like devices: the Nintendo, the Super Nintendo, the Nintendo 64, the Game Boy Color, the Game Boy Advance, and the Nintendo DS. So those are the supported device or the supported game. So you can download them, and like I told you, you can you can play them here. For example, I will show you the example of Pokemon Stadium. As you can see here, your game will load easily. You can load your game, open it, and play it like any other game, so you don't have any problem. This is the controllers that you will use in your game, and you can play your game easily without any problem with this way. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.